Can you use an adjustable base with any mattress? If you're considering upgrading to an adjustable bed, you might be wondering if your current mattress will work with it. Let's break it down to help you make the right choice. First, not all mattresses are compatible with adjustable bases. The key is to look for mattresses that are flexible and can bend without damaging the bed. Memory foam mattresses are a great option because they are highly flexible and can easily follow the movements of the adjustable base. They provide excellent pressure relief and return to their original shape quickly, making them ideal for adjustable beds. Latex mattresses are another good choice. They are as flexible as memory foam and offer a slightly springy feel, which is great for stomach sleepers or those who move around a lot during the night. Latex is also known for its durability, although it might come with a slightly higher price tag. When it comes to Innerspring mattresses, things get a bit more complicated. Some Innerspring mattresses can work well with adjustable bases, but you need to choose ones with individually wrapped or pocketed coils. These coils are more flexible and can handle the movements of the adjustable base without damaging the mattress or the base's motor. However, traditional Innerspring mattresses with interconnected coils like Bonnell or offset coils are not suitable because they are too rigid. Hybrid mattresses, which combine coils with other materials like memory foam, can also be a good fit. Look for hybrids with individually wrapped coils and high-quality materials to ensure they are flexible enough for an adjustable base. If you have an old mattress, it's essential to check with the manufacturer to see if it's compatible with an adjustable base. Mattresses with built-in, permanent box springs or ultra-firm coil support systems are generally not compatible. In summary, while not all mattresses can be used with an adjustable base, memory foam, latex, and certain hybrid and Innerspring mattresses with individually wrapped coils are usually safe choices. Always check with the manufacturer to ensure compatibility and avoid any potential issues with your new adjustable bed setup.